In our company, it's that team effort that gives everyone an experience they want to share. We try to go the extra distance every time, and now our efforts have been repaid with this fantastic 5-star review. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile, knowing that everyone is happy is our strongest motivation. We believe that our future success comes from our success today, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services sometime soon. So if you're after great service that'll cater to your needs, let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen.